Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gearing up. Gloves, eye protection, long sleeves, and a mask. This reduces splash and inhalation risk. Once suited, read the product label to know spray distance and active ingredient. That explains how long protection lasts. Position yourself with a clear 3-5 meter retreat path and check wind so spray drifts away from you. Approach only to the labeled effective range. Do not climb ladders. Now you're set to make the first targeted spray from a safe distance. Once done with prep, time your action for dusk or early evening because wasps are less active then. This reduces stings and increases contact. Stand at the label-specified distance and deliver steady 1 to 3 second bursts, aiming at the nest opening and any visible flight paths. That ensures the insecticide reaches problem zones. Make several passes if needed, pausing to observe reactions. Make sure to avoid spraying foliage unnecessarily and never spray into soil or standing water. Follow label limits to minimize environmental impact. After spraying, step back along your retreat path and wait at least 24 hours before inspecting the nest from a safe distance. This interval lets the product work and reveals activity levels. If you still see significant wasp traffic, apply one more labeled treatment, no more, to avoid overexposure and environmental harm. If the nest is large, inside walls, or insects remain aggressive, call a licensed pest professional. Troubleshooting tip: if live activity persists after repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.